Hey guys, it's Miranda here, Sunshine and Grace. Today we are skipping our 3579 because I need storage boxes, and I just wanted to show you guys my quick, easy way to make them using squares of paper. Any squares will do. I'm using cardstock because what I'm going to be sticking into this box is heavy, and I want it to be sturdy enough to hold it. So I need two. I made one, and I made the base, this part, the inside part of the second one already, and then I'm just going to show you how to do the lid, this. But I wanted to show you how to do it. I take 12, any square works. Today I'm using 12 by 12 and 11 3/4 by 11 3/4. The smaller one is the one you make your base with, you know, your like inside that you're going to put your stuff on. And then the 12 by 12 becomes your lid. And we're using this I ordered these cardstocks or bought them like from Joann on clearance or something, and never was real keen on the colors, you know. They're not really me, but they work great for this. So what you do is you take your 12 by 12 and you're going to fold it like hamburger style or hot dog style. It's hamburger style because it stays kind of wide. So you're just basically folding it in half. And crease. Kind of make sure you're lined up straight and double check it. Crease it again. Take a bone folder if you want. Give that sucker a little crease. And open it. Flip it and do it the other way. Same exact thing. I usually try to line those 2 points up if I can. And then usually things line up pretty good. Smush from the middle out. And then bone folder. Okay, now here's my trick. I have trouble seeing those creases. You might have trouble. You may have good eyesight and not have trouble. But me, no. I don't see them so well. So I take my inkers and I just run it right along because this won't show anyways. So I line that crease, which then you can see really kind of maybe line it some more. I've never done it with paper this dark, so usually I'm using lighter stuff. I did do it with the black one, but I didn't even do this part on the black. I was like, yeah, that's not happening. I just winged it. Miraculously, it did turn out okay. Okay, that should be good. I mean, it doesn't have to be super dark. I just need to be able to see line it up. You can see now, you can see the main thing is this center here. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to turn it like a diamond, and you're going to take one corner, bottom corner, and fold it into that centerpiece. Now here I don't crease real heavy. In fact, it's a very light crease because sometimes I got to tweak it a little bit, wiggle things, kind of, make the corners meet down here, which is more important than that centerpiece, so I lightly crease it. You're going to do that for all 4 corners. Just fold them around. You've done this if you've made envelopes, like the book page envelopes where we don't really measure, we just kind of cut a square and go. Yeah, it's the same thing, except you don't overlap it at all. And make sure you get kind of good corners. And do your nice one. It's easier if you turn it towards you. And then try to hold that down so you can actually see Miranda. And then work your corner. The cardstock is much harder than like if you use magazine page or book page. I like those like kids encyclopedia book pages. They do really great for this, and they are also pretty heavy. I just didn't have any big enough right now. And of course, because I'm on camera, that corner is going to be like really weird. So this is why you don't crease real deep yet, because that one's not doing. Can you see that? It's like not coming down right. It's not folded right. So what I'm going to do is fold this one, work that one back out a little bit, and then I work this one just a little bit to give it a little more room, and you can see now they're fine. Okay, now you're going to bone folder this because you want those creases pretty tight. I changed my mat again. Yes, I don't know, the black, I do so much with lighter colors and the black wasn't really working for me. And there's why that one corner was not coming out right. There's the culprit. Okay, you almost always find the corner that's actually off that causes the problem at the end. Yeah, I switched to a light blue mat because I think it suits me better. And it kind of, I don't know, my stuff was starting to look, the black just made everything look kind of bleh. And I don't like bleh, especially not in the spring. My daffodils have bloomed. I'm so excited. And I have sunshines on the ground. I'm not kidding you. Yeah, things are looking up. Sunny, bright, pretty days. I got out and walked around the yard a couple days over the weekend. Well, Sunday and then today. And yes, I'm so excited to see flowers. And down by the creek where I sit sometimes and talk to God, there's this bench that my husband built. And it's just like the perfect place to sit. And I go down there sometimes in the mornings before, you know, my son gets up. My husband's already gone because he leaves like before daybreak. And I'll go down there and, yeah, just have a chat. Oh, God. There are these beautiful, beautiful little white flowers that have finally come back. When we first moved here, our son kind of decimated that area. And they've just now started coming back really good. So, yeah, I'm excited about that. Okay, now you're going to open your thing back up. And here's my secret. You don't have to do this. This thing will hold together by itself without any glue. But I like stability. And like I say, I load these suckers down with stuff usually way too heavy. So I put glue in the tops and the bottoms to help. Because sometimes I will break the top and bottom apart and use it as two separate cups. Because you can do that. So I get that middle square and just a little bit around it to help hold everything together. Now, this is the magic part. You fold your sides in, smush them. How hard was that? Oh my lands, you guys. It's like really hard, right? Okay, now pick it up. Pop it like right there so that that kind of bends up towards you. And then you want to take your corners and squish them towards each other. And they'll do that number. So it looks kind of like an envelope. And then you're going to fold that envelope in half and tuck. And you've got it right there. Okay. Now here's where you can kind of maneuver things on the side to make sure that everything fits tight on that one. And voila, you have one side of your box done. Flip it around so that the other side is pointing away from you. It's like it's an arrow saying, go that way. And you're going to pop that fold right there. Just push down and it'll do its thing. You push these in. It all wants to do its thing. Don't pop it back up like I did. Smush it a little bit towards the center to get it smooth. Tuck it. And your box is done. Now, I usually work those corners just a little bit to make sure that everything is tight. It's got a nice look to it. And that's it. Okay, take your base. It'll fit right inside the lid. Voila, you have two. It doesn't get any easier. You do the bases the exact same way. It's the exact same folds, no matter what size the square is. I have... these are made with a, like, encyclopedia page I was talking about. And you can see I stuffed them full. So, you can write on them. Don't write on it messy like I did, but those are the bigger ones. I have some smaller. Well, you guys have seen me pull them out, too, on my desk. There's all sorts of them over here with goodies in them used as half cups. So there you have it. These will be sitting out, so I'm probably going to decorate them. I sometimes will put, like, actually that little sticker right there, that would be cute right in the center. Just to give it something a little pretty. You don't have to do that. You can. I have seen people take and deck these up. The first time I saw it done, it was Pam at the Paper Outpost that did it, like 2 years ago. But we made them in grade school too, so yeah. It's one of those things you kind of forget about, and then you remember it, and you're like, oh yeah, I remember that. those things were cool. Well, they're cool and they're fun. Okay, because that sticker is laying there, it is going to go on, and voila. Now, isn't that cute, you guys? And so simple. And it uses stuff that you already have on hand. Paper. Paper you don't necessarily like in this case. Paper you actually loathe in this case. So, there you have it. Super simple, super easy, and very cute and fun. So I'm going to close my glue up. Hope you guys have had a great week so far. Ours has been good. Like I say, my flowers are coming up, and that makes me a very happy person. I love them. I do. So, I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. And if you have not subscribed already, please do so. And be sure to hit that like button and drop me a comment letting me know what you think about the boxes. How would you do them? How would you decorate them? Do you think they're, any tips, tricks, anything? The folding and the inking was the big game changer for me. The first few I did came out very strange looking because I was not getting those folds right. So, I just couldn't see that point. And then I realized I could do that, and I'm like, oh, game changer. Okay, these are easy now. So, yeah, there we go. Okay, before I go, I just want to remind you, Jesus loves you so much, he died for you. If you have not trusted that fact, then I'd urge you to do so today, because nobody's promised the next second. Whether you know it or not, you're going to live forever, either upstairs or down, and you want to go up, okay? Just trust me on that. So if you've never trusted the gospel of your salvation, I would love to tell you about my precious Savior, tell you the greatest love story ever, and get you saved for all eternity right now. So just let me know in the comments below, or feel free to look me up on social media if you've got any questions about anything. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Rumble, MeWe, Pinterest, Twitter, all those. Am I active on all of? Nah. I'm struggling with Instagram, and I am very active on Facebook, though. But the rest of them, it is a definite learning curve. Pinterest, I love Pinterest, y'all. Do I post on Pinterest? Right? Not very often, because you know what? When I hit Pinterest, that's a rabbit hole that is going to be like 3 hours gone. Just straight up. I am not kidding. Every time I go on there, I'm just like, oh, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh, my lands. It's ridiculous. So I don't do a whole lot on Pinterest, but I do have it. And if someone interacts with me over there, please encourage me to take the rabbit trail, you guys. Okay? Anyways, I'm going to wrap this up now. And I just want to know what y'all think about it. Drop me the thing in the comment, like, subscribe. I can do a lot of things here. I can't grow my channel without you. I love all my subbies. You guys are everything to this channel. And if you guys got any questions about anything, just ask. Whether it be the projects that I make or your eternal state. Have a great day. It'll be my, I'm getting all confused here. Y'all have a great day. We'll chat soon. Grace and peace. Bye-bye.